Every champion starts with a single step. This summer, take that step with Malay Sports Academy. This May, it's time to sprint into action at the Malay Sports Academy Summer Camp, focused on track and field athletics. Is your child ready to unlock their potential on the track? At Malay Sports Academy, we're bringing top-notch coaching and thrilling athletics challenges to help kids of all ages build strength, agility, and confidence. Are you ready to own the summer? Malay Sports Academy, where passion turns into power. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.